my god, I haven't been in front of the camera in so long. Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't seen you guys in forever. It's this quarantine, it got everybody fucked up. So for today, I figured since it's been really nice out lately and like the sun's been out and I've been wanting to feel like I'm tan even though it hasn't been nice out enough for me to sit outside. I wanted to recreate like a little bronze makeup look for you guys. I already did my eyebrows off camera, so we're just gonna get to it. So to start off, to make yourself look a little bit more bronze, I'm going to be mixing this BB cream with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And like this one's a little bit lighter and this one's a little bit darker, but like in the summer I'll be this tan, but I'm not there yet. So we're just gonna mix these two together. I already put primer on and did my eyebrows. My eyebrows don't look really great, but you know what? It's fine because that's that quarantine life. And I just put a little bit there like that, and I'm just gonna add some of the lighter foundation. So after all the foundation is on already, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm so far from the camera. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is just a translucent powder. Just so that your face doesn't get oily throughout the day. Okay, still look like a ghost, but I promise you, we won't. So then I'm going to take my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and I'm just gonna bronze my whole face. This shit smells so good. Literally smells like coconuts. Bronzing is one of the most important steps to get this look. Okay, see, bronze, pale. So then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm just gonna bronze my nose. And my chin. And I always put bronzer on my eyelid. Okay, see, we're looking a little bit bronzed. So then after that, for this part, you could use a blush, but I don't have a blush. So I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette, my second one. And I'm gonna be using the shade Heart On, not Hard On. And I'm gonna be using that as a blush. But the way I'm gonna be doing it, putting blush like right here, and that's gonna give you like a suntan effect. This is really pigmented, so you have to like, it's probably gonna look crazy at first, but like I said, you could use a blush. I just don't have one, so I'm using this instead. You see how crazy it looks? But trust me, we're gonna calm it down in a second. Look, I look like a raw lobster. I promise it's going to look good. I promise. Watch. I'm gonna go back with the Where'd I put it? Oh, my bad. I'm gonna go back with the Maybelline Fit Me and watch. Just watch. See how it toned it down? You just gotta blend it. That's all you gotta do is blend it. And then you take this, and if it's a little bit too much, you blend it in. See? It's like a little cute sunburn look. It's subtle, but there. Feel me? And now you're just gonna take a highlighter. I'm gonna be using the Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild. I mean, no, the Bretman Rock and Morphe Babe in Paradise palette, because these colors are like super tan and they definitely make you look bronze. Okay. Oh, I'm using the shade Mahal. That's my favorite shade. I always use that one. Okay. See? Looking like a bronzed goddess. Okay, so then I'm just gonna be setting my face with the Bretman Rock Jungle Rock collection setting spray. I love the setting spray. It smells like coconut. Anything that smells like coconut is just great to me. Seriously. And I'm just gonna put mascara on. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So we're just gonna be finishing this look off with some lip gloss, and I'm going to be using the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's super cheap and sparkly. It smells amazing. All right, so this is the finished look, and I know that the lighting is probably terrible right now, so I want to show you what it actually looks like. Just come with me. It's like I'm tan. It's like you went to the... All right, so this is the finished look. As you can see, I look like I went to the beach or something, and I got like a little bit of a tan. It's super subtle. Like, I know I looked crazier earlier, but it was because of like the whole lighting setup. Like, I still have to set up where I'm gonna record in my apartment and all that stuff. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I really, really miss you guys. I know I haven't been posting, but I promise to start recording more content soon. Oh crap, you can't see me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for your support. I always get messages like, oh, when are you gonna post a video, etc. But I promise I will be posting much more soon. I just got my setup done. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, and whoa, what the fuck happened to me? So yeah guys, stay tuned for more content and see you next time.